Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to draft a basic sleeve pattern for women. And the measurement you need is your cap height, which is from the tip of your shoulder to right before your biceps. And you also need your biceps, and then you need your sleeve length. So to start off, you mark down your cap height plus 0.5 inch. So the measurement I use for that is 6.5. That's for a size 14, someone who is a size 12, size 14. Then you also mark out your biceps plus ease. So I use 0.5 inch as my ease. So you can, depending on how you want it to be, you mark it out and then you draw a line. After which you now find the midpoint of it. So the biceps I used was 14, so 14 plus ease of 0.5, that's 14.5. So when I divide it into 2, it's 7.25, or that's 7.728. Now after that, you connect the 3 points and then you get a triangle. So you mark the back on your left side and then the front on your right side. And you are going to divide each side of the triangle into 4 equal parts. So the left side into 4 equal parts, and then the right side into 4 equal parts. Now after that, starting from your back, for the first part you mark in through 8, then you move to the second and you mark out to 8. Then the third part you mark out 5/8 inches. You can repeat if it's too fast. Then for the front side you mark in for 8 inch. Then you mark out the second one 1.5, and then for the last one you mark out 6/8 inches. Then you use your French curve to connect. You're going to use your French curve to connect all these points that you just made. So I'm putting in the measurements: 3/8 on the left, 2/8, and then 5/8, and on the right you have 1/2 inch, you have 1.5/8, and then finally 6/8. So you always go in for the first one, then for the other two you go out. Then you connect it with the French curve. You connect all the points to have your sleeve. To have your, the starting point of your sleeve. So you're just going to take your time. Okay, so this is the most complicated part of having your basic sleeve pattern. Once you are through with this side, the rest is just easy. now you're going to extend the center line. That is the for my instance, for example, for my case, it's 7 to 8. You extend it all the way down to your sleeve length. My sleeve length is 22. So remember, from up there I did 22 and a half. So I'll make sure that that half is incorporated. So I'll mark my sleeve length. So then I'm going to mark in from the edge, from the edge 2 inches. That'll be my wrist measurement. So this is just the basic sleeve pattern, but you can decide to, when you are actually making a dress and it's a long sleeve and you want something that's very fitted, so you then take the measurements, the wrist measurement of the person and use that. But for the basic sleeve, I just go in by 2 inches out. That's just what I use, and then I connect. So then I'm also going to try and mark out my elbow. That'll be half of the sleeve length, but you can actually measure the person or take your measurement to get the accurate. But for this, I just use half. That is short sleeve. Sorry, not necessarily the elbow, but even the short sleeve. When you're doing a short sleeve. So that's it. That's just the basic sleeve pattern. Very simple to do. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.